This is a small paper boat. It is completed after marking, cutting, and assembly. Now, imagine scaling this small paper boat up into a 100,000-ton vessel. The thin paper is replaced by heavy steel plates over 10 meters long. And the very first step, ship plate marking, becomes a challenge of precision and efficiency. In the past, workers had to manually mark steel plates. Later, conventional marking machines were introduced, but repeatedly switching between different marking modes remained time-consuming and labor-intensive. To address this challenge, HGLaser developed the world's first all-in-one ship plate marking machine. It is a giant printer specially designed for ship plate marking, standing 3 meters high and 7.5 meters wide. Most impressively, it is equipped with more than 70 inkjet print heads and a fully automatic ink circulation system with real-time pressure stabilization and temperature control at 40 to 45 degrees Celsius, ensuring clear and consistent marking even during long-duration operation. Its printing resolution reaches 1,800 dpi with photo-like quality. In addition, it features 3D vision precision positioning, like giving the machine eagle-eye vision. Even on 10-meter-long steel plates, it delivers high marking accuracy and excellent results. Self-developed drawing recognition system, instantly interpreting complex Gen files, and convert them into a complete large-format digital blueprint. Whether it is Chinese characters, English text, or QR codes, it handles them all with equal precision. With intelligent path planning and beam movement, all information can be completed in a single pass. Marking one oversized steel plate takes 3 hours using conventional methods. With this super printer, it takes just 5 minutes, achieving 25 multiplied by higher efficiency. The all-in-one ship plate marking machine, what it creates is the digital identity of a vessel. Steel plates become giant vessels, driving the maritime industry forward.